Some persons have been asking me how can they run Facebook or Instagram ads for others. In a case whereby you possibly want to start Facebook or Meta ads agency where you can be running Facebook and Instagram ads for people and get paid, then you need to watch this video to the end. Even if you don't want to start an agency and you possibly want to help somebody, be your friend, your family member, your partner, or anybody you want to help the person to promote his or her business, then you need to follow this guide I'm about to tell you in this video. In case you're meeting me for the very first time, my name is Popka Innocent. On this channel, I create step-by-step easy to understand videos on how you can run effective and profitable Facebook and Instagram ads. So if you're interested in learning Facebook and Instagram ads from beginner level to expert level, then you need to subscribe to this channel. Just click on the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next valuable video. But in today's video, I will show you how you can run Facebook ads for others. Without wasting time, go ahead and like this video. Let's dive in. Before you can begin to run adverts for someone, there are some things that you need to put in place. The first thing is to get access to the person's Facebook page, because for you to run adverts for someone, you will need access to the person's Facebook page. Okay, to get this done, the person can add you as an admin to his or her page. This is a step-by-step video that the person can just follow and add you as an admin to his or her page. The link to this video will be at the description of this video. So for the person to add you, you can just copy the link to that video, send it to the person. The person will follow the step-by-step process and add you as an admin to his or her page. Don't worry, after adding you as an admin, I will also show you in this video how you can access the person's page, because when the person has added you as an admin to his or her page, you are going to see that person's page among your pages when you're setting up the Facebook ad. I will show you where to select that page. Okay, some persons may want to see the ad metrics, that is how the ad is performing and everything about the ad. In that case, they will want you to get access to their Facebook account. So another way that you can run the ad directly from their own ad account is by getting access to their Facebook account. Okay, that way they are going to give you their Facebook account login details, and with that you'll be able to access their Facebook ad account. So you will use their ad account as well as their page to run this Facebook ad for them. In that case, they will send you the ad budget as well as your service charge, or they can just give you your service charge and they will fund the ad budget by themselves. They will add it to the Facebook ad account wallet balance. The third way you can run this ad for people is by getting access to their Facebook page, their ad account, as well as their Instagram account. That is in the case where you are running Instagram ad for them as well. How do you do this? You're going to get access to all this through your Facebook Business Manager account. That means you must have created a business ad account, and with your Business Manager ID, you can just copy it and send to them and they will add it up as a business asset. But I don't mostly advise beginners to use this third method, especially when the client is not giving you that job for a long time. If it is just a 1 week ad, a one-time off project, then you don't need all that, because at the time you are still going to be removing all those assets, or you remove those page ad accounts and all that, which is all another stress. In that case, they can just add you as an admin or give you access to their Facebook account and you go ahead to run the ad for them. But some persons who don't like to give out their Facebook ad account login details, then they can just add you as an admin to their page and you go ahead to run the ad. Now let me show you on the Meta Ads Manager dashboard where you're going to access your client's Facebook page and how to set your ad such that anyone who clicks on the ad can be directed to your client or any conversion destination that you choose in the ad. Before I continue, go ahead and like this video if you have not done that. Just click on the like button below. Have you done that now? All right, let's continue. You open your Meta Ads Manager, then click on this create button, the normal way you run your ad. Then go ahead and select your campaign objective depending on the ad goal you want to achieve for your client. Let's assume your client does not have a landing page or website and the client wants you to send the prospect to his or her WhatsApp DM. In that case, you are going to be using this engagement objective. But if it is a sales campaign, then you will use this sales objective right here. Okay, so for a situation where you are sending to the person's WhatsApp DM, name, you are going to select this engagement objective right here. Below, you will see this continue button. Click on continue. Then select this manual engagement campaign as usual. Click on continue. I've already done a video on how to run engagement campaign ad. The link to that video will be at the description of this video. That one is more detailed and step by step. So after watching this video, go and watch that particular one for better understanding. As usual, you will edit this campaign name and put the name of the product you're promoting for your client. Scroll down and click on this next button down below. It will take you to the ad set level. Still edit this name as usual. You already know how to do this. Let me just take you over to the areas where you are going to integrate your client's page. So right here at the conversion location, you will see Facebook page. So this is where you select your client's Facebook page. Okay, I told you earlier that when you are added as admin to his or her page, you are going to see it under your pages. At this Facebook page, on the right hand side, you will see this edit button. Click on this edit button and you are going to see all the pages that you are admin to. You see all these other ones are pages that are managing. If you scroll down, you will see all the pages that you're admin to. So just select your client's page. For example, if this is your client's page, you just select it and that is going to be added right here. You can see the Facebook page has changed to that one. Then scroll down, you will see the messaging apps. So select the place that when prospect click on the ad, they will go to. And like the example I'm giving, I am using WhatsApp Business. So uncheck Messenger here, then leave it on only WhatsApp. In case your client has not linked his WhatsApp Business account to his Facebook page, here is a video on how to link your WhatsApp Business number to your Facebook page. The link to that video will be at the description of this video. So after watching this video, go and watch that one. You can share that video with your client as well to link his WhatsApp Business number to his Facebook page. You will see the WhatsApp Business number here. In case you have linked more than one WhatsApp Business number, just click on this drop down button to select the particular WhatsApp Business number you want to send the prospect to. Okay, leave the performance goal at maximize number of conversation, then set your budget and schedule as usual. Every other thing is the normal way you set up your ad. I believe before you want to run ad for others, you already know how to run ad, but in case you don't know how to run ad, I have Facebook ad for beginners. The link to that video will be at the description of this video. So after watching this one, just go and watch that one to master Facebook ads better. If you want to know how much to charge your clients per ad on weekly basis or on monthly basis, then go ahead and comment below. I will reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that.